So today we're going to be working on a water filter, which right there, as you can see, it's in the red, so that means to change the filter out. So that's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do on this refrigerator, we're going to go ahead and open up the door, and right at the bottom, there's different locations for these filters. There's sometimes in the bottom, or they're actually located on the top. This one is actually located on the bottom. And the way you take these out is you actually twist them on kind of with a half a turn. But this one you gotta turn it counterclockwise, and it pops right out. Except it's sometimes a little bit a pain in the butt to pull it out, so I use a pair of pliers just to get some leverage and pull that out. And there's your filter. So now we're gonna go over to the store and grab one new. They usually cost around $30 to about $80. This one I think is gonna cost around $50, so we'll go take a look at this filter at Lowe's. Okay, so we went and got the brand new filter, and I'm gonna open this box. Comes brand new, sealed. So we gotta take this plastic off first. And make sure you take that cap off, because this has some kind of like, I guess like some kind of charcoal is what they say, believe it or not. It's inside the filter. They once you put it in, you'll hear some air go in, and we'll get a little bit closer to that there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push it in, and then, ooh. Okay, so that's locked in, and now we gotta empty out a few gallons of water, because the water is gonna come out a little bit, surprisingly a little bit black. So we gotta take out at least about I would say about 3 gallons of water to actually, it's kind of like a rinse. So as we water, we're gonna take out probably 3 of these. You'll kind of hear some air bubbles going through it, because it's kind of spitting it out, but it'll clean out your system also if you do this. So we're going to fill this up about 3 times. Okay, so after you've taken out the 3 gallons of water, we got to still reset the filter. And what we do is we're just going to hold that for 3 seconds where it says water. Hold that down for 3 seconds. And that changed that light from red to blue. And that's it. You're all set with a new water filter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.